Kinumpirma ni Senator Sonny Angara na wala na sa Department of Tourism si Presidential Advisor and Creative Communications Direct Paul Soriano. Kinwestiyon kasi ni Senator Coco Pimentel kung sino ang nag-aproba ng pondo para sa isang ad campaign na ipinalabas sa mga bus sa London. Ayon kay Angara, hindi Office of the President at posibleng ang DOT umano ang nasa likod ng naturang kampanya. Tiniyak naman ni Angara na tatanungin niya ang opisina ng OP para malaman kung sino ang nasa likod ng kampanya.
Who spent for the ad campaign We Give the World Our Best, which was seen in the London buses, Mr. President? Kailangan pa i-request pa pala dito yun, Mr. President.
Hindi rin nila alam, Mr. President.
Walang kusa, walang interest. Wala tayong interest sa what's happening. That's an ad campaign. It mentions our country. Sa London, wala. Nobody lifted the finger to find out. Background information, wala. No one.
It was not the Office of the President, Your
It was not the Office of the President.
Kung meron man, it was not official funds, malamang. Baka initiative niya personally, di ba? Maaring ganon.